Boom! And we're rolling. GoPro Hero 7, first record with this. Hey!
Wait, you don't need a case for it, it's just waterproof, straight up?
Waterproof, yep. Straight off waterproof.
So, you ready?
Let's go, let's get you rolling.
I'm gonna go get Tommy's other bike.
Alright. I sustained some injuries, but it's nothing I can't. Alright, let's go before cars start going again. Go!
Okay.
You're gonna grab Tommy's other one?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab his mongoose.
Alright. Grabbing the mongoose. Hopefully you can hear well through this. I don't have the microphone plugged in. Oh Jesus, shit. Cold day out, about 30 degrees. Easy. Hold on. Be right back. Once I get the other bike. All right, we're back. He's got the mongoose.
Mine's one down and 4 up.
He's got the mongoose. I think we're ready to go now.
Yes, where do you wanna go? That buck?
You want to go to the big hill?
Hell yeah.
Big decline? Let's go.
See if we get air. Okay.
Get that big air going down. Ronnie, you gonna do a jump again?
Hell yeah.
Oh. I think this is where I'm gonna leave off on my channel. Moto vlogs, bike vlogs, stuff like that. Probably not gonna be a lot in the winter due to, you know, how cold it is. Ronnie's way back there. Ronnie's jumping back there. Bunch of GoPro vlogs like this is gonna be good. It's actually not a knockoff GoPro either. This would be good for filming on the wrestling channel, like I said before too. I just gotta hook the microphone up to the side of it through the USB, and the commentary person will have audio over the wrestling audio when they speak. When they're not speaking, then it'll just pick up the regular audio. So I ain't gotta sit there using a phone anymore. And I ain't gotta edit commentary audio over the video. Ronnie's way back there. It's cold. 27 degrees out here. Sometimes I think it's too cold for this crap. I got 2 SIM cards, each with 2 hours of filming time on them, so we're good. It's running out.
No, the bike's just tired.
That bike's dying out. It's gonna be.
6 to 7 years old.
It's gonna be. Its parts are gonna have to be renewed soon. Chain is rusty.
Obviously the derailleur.
Yeah. We ready to continue here?
No, not really.
Ow, my knee. That hurt.
This bike is so different than my bike. Johnny, is it a good thing when I pedal? Watch, is it a good thing when I pedal when I rotate like this? It hits your foot? Yes. That's fine, because the bike's too big for you.
Yeah. All right, let's continue here. Get to this big hill. You want to take the trail? No. All right. Watch out, car coming up here. See, I can't wheelie on the bike because my handlebars just go up like that. I gotta get an Allen key and screw her back up so she actually stays. Oh, you know, I think this is where I'm gonna go with my YouTube channel now.
The girl right there, I know who she is. This is my grandmother. Let's just say her name is
It's cold. Ow. Hit a bump and it bounced my balls off the seat, and this seat's rock hard. If you guys don't know already, I run a separate wrestling channel. And I get asked a lot, what made you want to become a wrestler? Because that's not the only one I wrestle on. I wrestle for different companies, and starting in a big one in April this year. I'm not going to say where. I'm not going to say the exact date in April, but just know it's in April. I ask sometimes, why do I want to be a wrestler? And it's just necessarily the fact that I find it really fun and something I've always wanted to do. And seeing, as I'm looking back on myself, and I used to wrestle on a trampoline. Now I wrestle in a ring. I do backyard wrestling. It's the biggest step up. And when I get in the indies, that's where I'll be more pleased. Waiting up here, I guess, for Ronnie. Right then, he's still coming. It's cold as balls out here. That bike's giving out. It's got a flat tire in the back. It's not good. She's gonna need new tires, or just stick Fix-A-Flat in it. For how many times you mentioned Fix-A-Flat to me, if you had a YouTube channel, you'd probably get sponsored. Just from mentioning it that much. Tractor's got a flat tire, Fix-A-Flat. Bike's got a flat tire, Fix-A-Flat. We just gonna pedal straight up the hill?
You guys know I'm not.
You're gonna go all the way up and around? I might end up walking up it. Save energy. Still hurts, but better. I just gotta rehabilitate it, and then same with my knee. This is actually helping my knee more than anything. I thought Tommy's tire was flat and it was just off the ground, and I turned and seen it was his foot dragging against the ground. I was like, oh, he ditched it into the woods. The battery likes to drain fast on this GoPro though.
What?
The battery likes to drain real fast on my GoPro. Yeah, it's crazy. Stick. I shouldn't be doing this. These are my wrestling shoes. Power, here's the hill. What?
How about I stay down here and film?
I'm going down in first person. I was gonna end up filming you jumping.
Nope. I'm good.
You ain't gonna jump?
Nope.
Alright, I'm going up then. It's kind of a long walk. Sort of. Not really, but hey. It hurts my knee. You coming, Timmy?
Yeah.
You get speed going down this hill. You really do. And probably doesn't look as steep on the camera, but it's actually pretty steep. The tree looks like it's half beaten all the way up there. Actually, a couple of years ago, we used to take our golf cart we had. We used to bring it all the way up this trail, which is all the way on the other side of the road, the other end of the road. We used to bring this thing all the way down here, and we'd hit as much speed as we can coming around this turn. Fly down. There's a little bump there. We'd jump it there and fly down to the bottom and squeeze the brakes. Like we'd stomp the brakes down. Am I good? Alright, here we go. Just gotta squeeze the brakes at the end. You know, I gotta know when to do it. Oh Jesus, holy hell, I'm flying. Skirt. What? Go ahead.
Oh, you're letting it.
Hey, look at that burn mark there.
And you don't care if I accidentally skid out. Try not to.
So you could skid out like I did at the end, you know.
You should replace this.
Nah, it just needs a screw back in.
And replace it.
Probably replace it eventually.
I'm walking.
Go for it. Alright, let me pause this real quick and then I'll resume it once they're good here. Alright, you're good. Hit this jump. I'm gonna try to get down low here. I'm not gonna take the... Oh! Well then.
Because, if I pull up with the bars...
Good point, yeah.
I tried climbing and the bars just went like this.
Alright.
I bet you won't try to ride it.
The tires have been there since a year
What?
or two. The back tires.
What? Yeah, the one on mine, yeah. But the front one's been there for over 30 years.
Bike's that old.
Yeah, it's old.
The original tire. This tire's brand new.
The back one I had to, you know, replace because Gracie rammed the quad into the back of it and bent it.
That's what happened?
Yeah, remember? You were the one who told me.
I didn't know who did it though.
You said it was Gracie, and you were right, actually.
Really?
Yeah, she ended up admitting straight up to it. She's like, yeah, I did crash into it, but it shouldn't be there. And then there was a whole argument between the parents and her, and she was arguing about putting the quad in the bike side of the garage, which...
Which quad was it? The Polaris?
Yeah, the Polaris.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
Keep
she...
going. You know the thing that sucks about your bike? It's not welded.
Yeah.
So it won't be.
I should probably just weld the handlebars back together instead of using the Allen key, just to connect the screw again. Just weld the metal together so it'll be stuck. And no more of this. You're just pushing Tommy out of here.
Yeah. Alright, hold on.
Maybe one day in the summer with the quads or something, maybe my dirt bike, I might do a moto vlog going down the tracks and stuff.
Keep doing that. Keep doing that.
Oh.
Oh, there goes my chance of monetization.
What?
Sexual jokes. Demonetized. No, I'm kidding. I wouldn't even get monetized anyways. I ain't got enough subscribers, so.
My balls hurt.
Smash a banger. Let's make this video a banger. Let's get it to 10 likes. That's an achievement.
Let's get 0.5 likes on this video.
0.5 likes on this video. I know we could do it.
I know it's kind of hard.
I know it's kind of
Let's
hard.
go for 0 likes on this video.
Let's go for 0 likes on this video. I know it's hard, but we could do it, guys. There's a car. I hear it. They're ripping it up here. Oh, that's a truck. You got a tractor, too. Ah, pricker bush. I'm gonna be stuck between a truck and a pricker bush.
No.
I knew it. How's it going, boss? What's up, boss? Get the bike.
Why?
Get the bike.
It's fine.
We're leaving. Well, you're just gonna leave it here as we go back down the house?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Ronnie, take it, go. Right away. It'll be funny.
Bye. Thanks, What? Trader?
Yeah,
Thanks. Oh my God, this bike's so small.
I know. For the box, how big the box was, I thought it was gonna be as big as mine.
This bike is so.
The Mongoose is bigger than that one. If anything, that was a D grade.
Oh wow, it actually rides nice.
A downgrade, sorry. Correct myself there.
This bike is so small.
I know. It's crazy. Oh yeah, ride with style, boys.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh God, he gonna get you. He gonna get you.
It's so small.
It's so much better than this. What? This is so much better than that.
You downgraded though in size.
Yeah, you did.
That Roadmaster's smaller than the Mongoose.
Yeah, well, probably fix the other one.
That box was too big for a bike that small. Dude, that box looked like it could have contained a couch.
Clickbait, okay?
Wait, did the front wheel,
Clickbait.
was the front wheel on it when you guys pulled it out of the box?
Yeah.
That's why. They normally, whenever they ship a bike, they take the front wheel off.
This one had the front wheel on it. Which, I don't know why, but
They
yeah.
ship the bike with the front wheel on. It's quick release.
Spring again. It's winter and it's clear of snow right now, but it's cold. It's the only thing that relates to winter.
Let's get.
Yesterday it was 50 degrees.
It's like
What earth do we live on?
the opposite of YouTube.
Where's my phone?
I have it.
It's like ready.
Can I have it, please?
What is
Yeah.
it?
You scared me. Oh my God.
It's like this, right?
Thank you so much.
Let's do the opposite of YouTube, okay?
YouTube.
Let's see
Tommy,
if I
hold
can
on.
get 100.
Put the
100.
Let's get to 1,000 likes on this porno.
No.
What?
It's like let's get 100 unsubscribers. I know we can do it, but it's hard.
No, it isn't. It's just like one click of a button. Okay.
No, just be a clickbait YouTuber, then you lose all your subscribers instantly.
Yeah,
I ain't
Logan Paul,
clickbait.
Like Auxiliary with a fake hot knife shot.
Hey, I thought you were gonna smack the GoPro. I was like, hey,
I have all my fingers. Oh my God, I cut myself.
he stabs himself in the back of the hand and then admits to it being fake.
and then it's like
I
okay,
just
this
sat
is
through a
ketchup.
15-minute video to watch you fake it.
Then after they get Rusty, it's like oh,
Rusty
there's
Cage.
no tradition.
How do you end up going, oh, there's an old tradition?
It's like how do you even stab in the middle of your hand? You're drawing in the middle of your fingers.
You gotta
this
be
is
like
what he-
lazy and hardcore.
No, this is what he's doing. No, this is what he's exactly saying. He's not even holding a fucking knife.
Oh, you
Delete that.
No,
How do you?
it's staying.
How do you hit your back of your hand?
There you go. All right, let's continue.
You can't just hit the back of your hand like, because you're stabbing in the middle of your fingers like.
All right,
Oh, there's no tradition.
let's get back to the house. You wanna do that?
Let's smoke weed.
No, the house now.
What do you think I am, illegal? I already got enough charges on me. I don't need any more. That
Hey, yo, doctor, here's a little pump and track and a snap watch. The sniper, time to pay the piper.
you're lucky we're not in like public streets or
Yo, what up, my
anything.
nigga? Ah, shit, okay.
These conversations he has with her.
I'm gonna see if I can add my friends on Fortnite now. Kid named Brock Sutter who skipped the grade.
I'm not much to play Fortnite.
Okay.
Ronnie, you want to add me on Fortnite? Then me, you, Timmy.
Mommy.
She hung up on you. All right, let's take the trail so we get there quicker.
I'm texting and biking.
That's illegal. Yeah, I'm not taking the trail. It looks quite damaged. You're lucky we weren't in public streets. You would have looked stupid. No, I hope not. We just had a state trooper at our house last night. I don't want to see another cop again. Yeah. Can't discuss this on camera, but yeah. Yeah. I don't think Sorry's gonna cut it. She sees this video, she's gonna be like, Ronnie, I'm gonna get you. I just noticed it's just gonna be complete hell editing this video. Cause I gotta somehow get the video from the GoPro to my computer. I don't know if it'll go through USB. I honestly don't know. It probably will. But if I need a SD card adapter to the computer, then I will get one of those. Just this video will be out late for a couple days, because you know, Amazon Prime with that 2-day shipping, free 2-day shipping. Should give you guys the first-person experience of wrestling. Most people say it's fake, but like you never know unless you actually do it with an actual pro wrestler. It isn't fake. You know, yeah, they communicate in the middle of matches. That's true. They talk about what moves they're gonna hit, but you're landing in like half an inch. There's a mat, and then under the mat on the wrestling ring, there's like half an inch to an inch of padding. And after the padding is tons of wood boards, and after tons of wood boards, there's the metal frame. And what I mostly feel when I land in the ring is the wood boards, and they hurt. When they go through a table, you're going through a table. I don't, like, school bus. My little brother just got off the bus, that means, and yeah, let's get back down the house here. That way back there. This bike likes to go a lot on its own. My fingers are actually numb. Kind of hurts, and my knee and my shoulder hurts because I crashed my dirt bike yesterday. I flipped over, landed neck first. I was actually bleeding a lot out of my knee, surprisingly. Yeah. And this video here, right up in the driveway. All right, boys. These gloves usually keep me warm, but today they're just like, my fingers are numb. Whoop. Ugh.